What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the ORN Orion Protocol Token on Coinbase. As you can see, we are already logged into our account on coinbase.com, but if you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage. And on the right top we have a search bar. We will click on that and we will type in ORN, and there it is, Orion Protocol Token. We will select it and now you will arrive at the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here with different time frames, and you can select the time frame you prefer. Down below we have some information about this coin and about the platform, the decentralized finance. You can read through that, and we also have some stats about this coin, like the market cap, the volume and an all-time high. After that we go back to the right side and there you have the trading options. You have an option to buy, sell or convert coins. Beside of that you can select the order type over here. We have a one-time order and a recurring buy order. A one-time order is basically a single order for the current market price. But the recurring buy is to set up automatic purchases along a daily, weekly or monthly base. For now we will leave it on a one-time order and we will select the buy option, of course, and after that you can fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend. For this video we'll use a amount of 1000 euros as an example, and now you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return. You can select the payment method down below over here. Just click on it and select the preferred payment method. Is your payment method not available over here in this list? Just add a new payment method and it will be added into this list. And after that you can select it and you will go back to this overview. Before you click on review order, always check the amount you have filled in over here. Is the buy option selected and the order type selected? Have you selected the right payment method? And if you select the right token over here, then you can click on review order. We will click on it, and as you can see, we are paying a transaction fee. I will give you guys a very useful trick to save yourself a lot of money while trading or purchasing crypto on Coinbase. As you can see, we are paying 38 euros of transaction fees on this order. If you would like to save yourself this amount of money, then you can use the Coinbase One subscription. It is completely free for 7 days, so you can try it out. And after those 7 days you just pay 25 euros a month. But as you can see on this order, we are already saving us 38 euros of transaction fees. So you're already making profit by using it. Try that definitely out. And once you have decided to buy this coin, you can click on the buy now option down below. And these coins will be automatically added to my assets here on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!